I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact image you want to use and opening the crew interface in Blox Fruits. You must be the crew owner or have been granted edit permissions, otherwise you cannot proceed. Once in the crew management UI, choose the emblem or picture slot and click the Edit or Upload button. Make sure the file is PNG or JPG and under the size limit. This avoids upload failures. Doing this now gets you into the only path the game provides for changing a crew picture. Next, you upload and position the image inside the crew editor. Click the Upload button, pick your prepared PNG or JPG, and confirm. Blox will import it into the emblem frame. Then use the built-in crop and scale controls to center the important parts. This matters because automatic resizing can cut off details. Once positioned, preview the emblem within the UI to check visibility at typical in-game sizes. If it looks good, proceed to save. This is the core editing step. To finish, press Save or Confirm to apply the new crew picture and wait for the game to propagate the change. After saving, you should immediately verify by reopening the crew panel and viewing the emblem. If possible, check from a second account or a friend to ensure it displays to others. If the picture fails to update, retry with a lower resolution file or convert between PNG and JPG. This often resolves upload or compatibility issues. Remember to confirm permissions if uploads still fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.